The latest Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit update has captured the attention of many due to ongoing legal disputes involving the ranch's operations and ownership. Recent developments in the case highlight key allegations and potential impacts on the ranch's activities. Staying informed about these updates is crucial for those closely following the situation. The Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit revolves around disputes related to property ownership, mineral rights, and alleged environmental violations. The legal case has garnered widespread attention due to the ranch's high-profile activities and the public interest in its ongoing operations. The lawsuit aims to resolve conflicts between the ranch's owners, neighboring landowners, and regulatory bodies. Recent updates indicate that the lawsuit has progressed to preliminary hearings, with new evidence presented by both parties. The latest developments include additional claims by neighboring landowners regarding unauthorized resource extraction and environmental concerns. These updates suggest that the case may extend longer than initially anticipated, with potential implications for the ranch's future operations. The legal basis for the lawsuit includes violations of property rights, environmental regulations, and contractual obligations. Plaintiffs argue that Blind Frog Ranch has engaged in unauthorized activities that breach federal and state laws, particularly those related to land use and environmental protection. The lawsuit seeks remedies including compensation, operational changes, and stricter compliance measures. The lawsuit has already begun to affect Blind Frog Ranch operations, causing disruptions in excavation and exploration activities. Increased scrutiny from regulatory bodies has led to temporary halts in certain projects while compliance reviews are conducted. These operational challenges may impact the ranch's financial stability and ability to continue its high-profile endeavors. Stakeholders, including investors, local community members, and environmental advocates, have expressed mixed reactions to the lawsuit updates. Some stakeholders are concerned about the potential environmental impact and legal ramifications, while others are supportive of the ranch's right to defend its activities. The updates have also prompted calls for greater transparency and regulatory oversight. Current legal proceedings include ongoing preliminary hearings where both sides are presenting evidence and arguing their cases. Recent updates indicate that additional witnesses may be called, and new documentation regarding environmental compliance has been submitted. The court is expected to set dates for further hearings and potential mediation sessions to explore settlement options. Comparing the Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit to similar cases reveals common themes of property disputes and environmental concerns. In past cases, settlements have often been reached where companies agreed to pay fines, implement stricter environmental controls, and renegotiate property rights. Blind Frog Ranch may consider similar strategies to resolve the case without prolonged litigation. Legal representation plays a crucial role in the Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit by formulating defense strategies, negotiating potential settlements, and ensuring compliance with legal procedures. The defense team is focused on disproving the allegations, protecting the ranch's interests, and minimizing any financial or operational repercussions. Skilled legal counsel is essential in navigating the complexities of property and environmental law, which are central to the case. The industry has reacted with a mix of caution and scrutiny, viewing the Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit as a reflection of broader challenges related to property rights and environmental compliance. Some industry players see this as an opportunity to reinforce their own commitments to sustainability and regulatory adherence. The case has also sparked discussions about the need for clearer guidelines and stronger enforcement in land use and resource extraction. The lawsuit could significantly impact Blind Frog Ranch's future, potentially hindering its ability to continue exploration and excavation projects. Ongoing legal battles may deter investors and partners, leading to financial strain. In the long term, the ranch might need to pivot its business strategy to align more closely with regulatory expectations, which could reshape its operations and public image. Legal experts suggest that the Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit underscores the complexities of balancing business interests with regulatory compliance. Experts argue that the case could set a precedent for similar disputes, particularly in industries involving natural resource extraction. They emphasize the importance of comprehensive legal strategies and proactive compliance measures to mitigate risks and navigate legal challenges effectively. Blind Frog Ranch is taking several steps to address investors and partners may face uncertainty due to the ongoing lawsuit, potentially affecting their financial commitments and business relationships with Blind Frog Ranch. Concerns over regulatory compliance and legal risks could lead some to reconsider their involvement. For existing partners, there may be increased pressure to ensure that their associations align with ethical and legal standards. The Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit serves as a critical reminder of the importance of balancing business ambitions with regulatory responsibilities. As the case progresses, it will likely influence how similar disputes are managed in the future, emphasizing the need for robust compliance frameworks and transparent business practices. For Blind Frog Ranch, the path forward will involve navigating legal complexities while working to restore stakeholder trust and operational stability. What is the current status of the Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit? The latest updates indicate that the lawsuit is in the preliminary hearing stage, with both parties presenting evidence. Additional claims have been made by neighboring landowners regarding unauthorized activities, which could extend the duration of the case. What are the main allegations in the Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit? The primary allegations include property disputes, environmental violations, and breach of agreements. Plaintiffs claim that Blind Frog Ranch engaged in unauthorized excavation and extraction activities that caused environmental damage and violated regulatory guidelines. Who are the key parties involved in the Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit? Key parties include the plaintiffs, neighboring landowners, and environmental groups, the defendants, Blind Frog Ranch owners and associated entities, and regulatory bodies such as the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, that are involved due to environmental concerns. How could the lawsuit impact Blind Frog Ranch's operations? The lawsuit has already caused operational disruptions, with certain projects being halted due to increased regulatory scrutiny. Depending on the outcome, the ranch may face fines, required changes in operations, or continued monitoring by regulatory bodies. What are the potential outcomes of the Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit? Potential outcomes include a settlement between the parties, a court ruling that could impose fines and operational changes, or dismissal of the case if Blind Frog Ranch successfully defends itself. Each outcome has different implications for the ranch's future. How has the industry reacted to the Blind Frog Ranch lawsuit? The industry has reacted with caution, viewing the lawsuit as a reflection of broader challenges related to property rights and environmental compliance. Some see it as an opportunity to emphasize the importance of regulatory adherence and transparency in operations. What steps is Blind Frog Ranch taking to address the lawsuit? Blind Frog Ranch is enhancing its compliance measures, working closely with legal counsel, and increasing communication with stakeholders to address concerns. The company is also exploring settlement options and adjusting its operational practices to align with regulatory requirements. All steps to address the